Welcome to Vegan Viking Kitchen. On this episode, I will be preparing gluten-free banana nut muffins with a good amount of protein so I can bring them to the beach on a picnic. Let's get started with the recipe. If you have lining papers, you can prepare your muffin tin with those, but I do not. So I'm going to be greasing mine with coconut oil. We will now preheat our oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Here are all the ingredients for the banana muffins. The exact amount will be listed on my blog at veganvikingkitchen.com. So we have oats, coconut shredded, salt, baking powder, baking soda, agave, soy milk, or you could also use coconut milk. I'm using soy because it's got more protein. Flax egg, which I have a video on. I am using exactly 2. Peanut butter, ripe bananas, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a bit of clove, vanilla extract. And these are the optional bits that I'm adding. Dates, walnuts, and dried cranberries. Let's get started by making oat flour. Put our oatmeal into the blender. And we will blend until it is a fine powder. Now that it has become a wonderfully fine powder, we will add in the ingredients. You will notice the batter is now nice and thick. Now pour it into our tins, just about 3/4 of the way. I'm just going to evenly distribute these. We are now going to bake these in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until these become nice and golden brown. Okay, we have taken our muffins out of the oven, and now I'm gonna let them rest here for at least 10-15 minutes before I transfer them onto a wire rack to cool properly. The muffins have finally cooled down. Here's a nice little look at them. Oh yeah, so remember, every time you're bored of eating your little oatmeal bowls in the morning, just make a batch of these. It's just as simple. All you need is a blender. These are all lazy meals, guys. I'm very lazy when it comes to cooking because I do it all the time. Hey guys, I'm at the beach right now. Got my picnic all set up. I got my vegan chickpea tuna sandwich. Got my tofu skewer, and for lunch I have watermelon, other assorted fruits, banana nut muffins. Alright, for more high-protein vegan meal ideas, please visit me on Instagram at Vegan Viking Kitchen and check out veganvikingkitchen.com for the recipes to all of these. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it vegan.